What's up, guys? So we got another mod for you here. This is gonna be a quick one. We got some more LASFIT lighting. These are gonna be for the hazard lights or signal lights. These are amber, of course. It's gonna be a quick install. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and show you how it's done. And just to be sure, guys, the light I'm changing is right here. I don't know if you can see that. This light right here. So first thing you're going to want to do is take the light here, turn it counterclockwise, and here's the bulb right here. Place that over there. You're going to take the new lighting, and I'll of course leave a link in the description to let you know exactly where I got these. Take your new lighting, place it in. You're gonna want to check and make sure that it works. If it doesn't work at first, just flip it the other way and it should work then. Alright, so as you see there, it didn't work, so let's turn it around. And hopefully, getting a little nervous here. You see that? That is beautiful. So I'm going to take the other one out and show you from a distance in comparison. Alright, so as you can see here, guys, let's try this. You can definitely see there that the LEDs from LASFIT are much brighter. Just place you guys back down here. So now you're going to want to place it back in. Now I'm going to show you with the both lights installed. On the driver's side, you have the LED from LASFIT, and on the passenger side, you have the original light. As you can see there, major difference. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you now with the hood closed, everything installed. Here we go. Here's the unlock button. Nice and bright. Instantly turns on. That's what I love about these LEDs. Here's the signal light. Like that a lot. What's really cool is if you go up close, it's just a little touch here of bronze. I really like that. That's actually a little bit of a hint of what's to come. But there you go, guys. Everything works nice and bright. And of course, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at night. All right, guys, so we are outside now, and I had the blinkers on. Actually had to turn it off because it was lighting up the entire street here with no exaggeration. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit the lock button just to show you how bright these are. It's pretty darn ridiculous. I'm gonna show you from this angle how it lights up the street. You can't even see the house. Watch this. Yeah, I know the neighbors aren't gonna like that. So that's pretty freaking awesome. I'm very happy with the results from LASFIT, as always. That's why I choose them every single time. This is a great way to upgrade your SR5 lighting without paying a premium. So it's the route I decided to take, and I'm very happy with it. All right, guys, till next time.